group members. My name is Nafra and I am a member of Group 1.
My name is Nina and I am a group member of Group 1.
My name is Yani and I am a member of Group 1.
My name is Shara and I am a member of Group 1.
My name is Carl Anthony Teresa and I'm a member of Group 1.
I am Charlo and I am member of Group 1.
I'm Yanze and I'm a member of Group 1.
How much is the burger? 25 pesos. Why so expensive? You will know it later. As you were asking, demand is when people want or need something that are willing to pay for it. It can be anything like food, clothes, or services. The more people want something, the higher the demands. Also, if the prices is lower, people usually want to buy more. So in short, if the prices are lower, people usually want to buy it. But if the prices are higher, people usually buy less. As Ella said, economics demand and demand still means the same. Economic demand means how much of a product or service people want to buy at different prices. If the prices goes down, more people will likely want to buy it. If the prices goes up, fewer people will want to buy it. Halimbawa ng demands. Pagtaas ng demand sa bigas tuwing tag-init kapag bumaba ang presyo ng bigas mula sa 50 pesos kada kilo patungo sa 30 pesos. Mas maraming mamimili ang bumili nito dahil mas abot kaya na.
Mga salik ng demand, presyo ng produkto. Kapag mura at mataas ang demand, halimbawa, bigas 1 kilo 50 pesos, tinapay 40 pesos, 1 litro ng gatas 90 pesos. Sa kabuuan, ang presyo ng produkto ay mahalaga upang malaman ng mamimili ang kanilang pagbili.
Kita ng mamimili. Mas mataas na kita, mas maraming kayang bilhin. Halimbawa, baon 100, pinili ng tinapay 30 plus juice 20 equals 50. Kita ng pamimili. 100 minus 50 equals 50.
Panlasa o kagustuhan. Kung uso o gusto ng tao, tumataas ang demand. Halimbawa, gusto ko ang produktong X kaysa produktong Y. Yan ay job preference.
Elastisidad ng demand. Elastisidad ng demand ay sumusukat sa reaksyon ng mga mamimili sa pagbabago ng presyo. O ito ay tumutukoy rin sa kung gaano kahina o malakas ang quantity demand sa pagbabago ng presyo. Or sa ibang kasabihan din na kapag malaki ang pagbabago ng quantity demand kapag nagbago ang presyo.
Elastic demand, malaki ang pagbabago sa dami ng binibili kapag nagbago ang presyo. Like for example, luxury goods, jewelry, and designer clothes. Non-essential items, soft drinks, fast food, and movie tickets.
Unitary elastic, kapag ang pagbabago sa presyo ay proportional pagbabago sa quantity. Unitary elastic, halimbawa, prutas gaya ng mangga. Kung bumaba ang presyo ng mangga ng 20%, tataas din ng halos 20% ang dami ng binibili.
Inelastic demands. Nagbabago ang quantity demanded kahit magbago ang presyo. Example, electricity and water essential utilities. Consumption doesn't drop much even with higher prices.